In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Spear in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire and use a spear. There are various spears in Arcane Lineage, and I'm going to try to go over all of them. So for you to acquire your first spear, you will have to complete some of these guild quests, and after you get enough gold, you will be able to go over by the blacksmith on the starting town, and you will find the spear, Pharaoh's Spear, as you can see here. This costs 50 gold, and it is the most basic kind of spear that you can get. Afterwards, you can get the Black Steel Spear for 200 gold on the Westwood weapon shop, and you can get your Dragonbone Spear from Yartol as a boss drop. Finally, you will have the Vastic Glaive from Torrun's quests, and then the Icewind Spear that can be bought during the Solstice of Light through the God of Festivities. So, as long as you get any of these spears, you will be able to equip and use them. So, choose whichever one you prefer. You will be able to equip them by pressing B and then equipping them on your weapon slot. They will be useful during combat, you will be able to deal good damage with them, and some will have extra effects. For example, the Dragonbone Spear will deal additional damage to burning enemies, and the Vastic Glaive will have a lot of bonus effects. As you can see, you will be able to use it in conjunction based off your stats. As you can see, you will have different effects based on the stats that you have on your character, so it is going to adapt to the situation that you encounter yourself in. With the majority of your stats in speed, for example, on proc you will gain a damage buff, reduction, and increase speed. So choose whichever one you prefer. You will be able to equip and use them, and you can use them during combat when you go against any foe and you choose the option to attack. You will use it as your main weapon, and you can switch between them as needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Spear in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.